Hello everyone, this is Eric from West Coast Air Design Engineering MOTOSTYLES shop. What we got here, this is one of our inspection robot. This is one of my version 2, and this is belong to this nice guy over there. His name is Tony. He's an inspector at BPG, and they are using our inspection robot. Now this inspection robot is actually a couple years old. The new version right now is this one, and this is the old one. It's look really worked up, but there is a reason why it's look like this, because this machine is working a lot and is saving someone a lot of headache. Okay, Tony, tell me, and tell actually the viewer, so you're working with this machine for a while. How long do you think you're working with this already?
I've been working with this machine for probably about 4 years. And the purpose is, I'm 65 years old. I don't want to crawl underneath houses anymore. So ever since I've gotten this robot, I've probably been under there a couple times to retrieve it. But with the GoPro on it, the machine, the equipment, I get great pictures. I can have it on a screen and show my clients and the agents what I'm looking at in the structure and explain everything to them. And they're just amazed, because you can put pictures in the report about a structure, but if you and tell them, yeah, this is what it is, but if you don't explain to them what a structure is, they have no idea what you're talking about. With this robot, we run around the whole house. We take a lot of pictures, and it is a fantastic piece of equipment for my line of work. Again, I'm with BPG Inspections.
Now tell me, you're saying that this robot actually shortened the time that it's took you to make your inspection?
Yes,
usually?
it does. It takes me about 20 minutes to run this car, and when I got to crawl, I'm usually under there for at least half hour, 45 minutes.
Got you, okay.
Especially areas that I can't get under, which this car can.
Yes.
So there's a lot of times I have to crawl all the way around the house to get around the beam, where this guy will just go right underneath there. I can see it as it pulls up to a beam, and I know I can get underneath it. And I should have bought one of these 19 years ago when I started inspections. But
yeah, we were not there yet.
they weren't there yet. I'm really happy with it. I recommend anybody that does inspections, or need to go under a house for any kind of reason at all, definitely get one. It's worth the money. Like I said, I've had this thing 4 years, and I've gotten my money's worth probably 4, 5, 10 times more.
Very good. And I just want to say to the viewers, whoever going to watch it right now and try to get one of this inspection robot, this inspection robot gone through, I think, hell and back, and there was no really big malfunction with it. The only thing here that needed to be done was like to replace batteries. There's batteries that run in the light, batteries that run in the receiver and transmitter, and those need to be actually systematically charged, and you have to be very responsible the way that you charge them. And the newer models that we have right now, those guys have much bigger batteries, and they are much more friendly and easier to deal with. This older machine, again, it was a couple years back, and each time there is a jump in technology, we jump with the jump, and we take whatever better receiver, better light, better cameras, whatever will work. And actually I CNC all those parts, I 3D print whatever I need to. Everything is made in America. We make all the parts over here in our shop. Tony don't work for us. If someone see this video and wonder, Tony is a customer. I just ask him to help us and give us a review, because he worked with this machine actually, I think, more than anybody else. How many times you think you work with it a week?
I could go 4 times a week.
4 times a week.
I could go 2 times a week. It all depends on how many inspections I really have.
Okay, very good. And again, the company that do the inspection with this robot, so they're going to give you like picture of underneath your house, and you can even get a video of underneath the house. So we are MOTOSTYLES selling those machines. So my telephone number is 323-496-5757 if you want to actually order one, or you can contact me for the YouTube video or our website. But if you need to do an inspection, this is Tony. And this is Tony's company. Tony, what is your guys' company telephone number? What is the telephone for people to reach you?
Our phone number is 1-800-285-3001. We're based out of Atlanta, so we're a corporate company. And again, it is BPG Inspections.
Okay, very good. Thank you everybody for whoever viewed this right now. This is actually again a video, just a testimonial for one of the inspectors. We have a lot of other vehicles that outside. Tony came today and I saw that this is one of the vehicles that I know work the hardest, and it's one of this machine that look really rough, but it's working and giving like every penny I think that like got paid for this machine actually got into work. See you on my next video. If you have any questions, you can contact the shop. We see you later. Bye.